How to find page support on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page support on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and now scroll down until you find pages. Click on it and select your page, and now just click this settings icon in the top corner, and here you will find it, page support. And that's it. This is of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.